Major update for UK pensioners. State pension payments increase this month. Millions of pensioners across the UK are set to receive a significant boost in their state pension payments this month, with some seeing as much as $921 land in their bank accounts before Easter. This increase comes due to a combination of adjusted payment dates and newly increased rates taking effect from April. The government has raised the state pension by 4.1%, starting from April 7, 2025, in line with the average weekly earnings (DWP) index from May to July 2024. This adjustment ensures that pensioners' incomes keep pace with inflation and broader economic changes. For those receiving the full new state pension, the annual increase amounts to up to $470 more per year. Meanwhile, those on the basic state pension will see an increase of up to $360 annually. While these figures may seem modest at first glance, every extra pound makes a difference for those managing fixed incomes, particularly with rising living costs. Breaking down the increases. For pensioners on the basic state pension, applicable to men born before April 6, 1951, and women born before April 6, 1953. The weekly payment has risen from $169.50 to $176.45. This represents a weekly increase of $695, which adds up to $75.80 every 4 weeks. Those on the new state pension, men born on or after April 6, 1951, and women born on or after April 6, 1953, will see their weekly payments increase from $221.20 to $230.25. This is a weekly boost of $905, resulting in a total of $921 every 4 weeks for those receiving the full amount. Easter payment adjustments. This April, the Easter bank holidays have introduced a slight change in payment dates. Since Good Friday, April 18th, and Easter Monday, April 21st, are public holidays, the Department for Work and Pensions, DWP, will process some pension payments early to avoid delays. Pensioners whose usual payment dates fall on either of these days will receive their money on Thursday, April 17th instead. This early payment applies to both the new and basic state pension, provided the scheduled payday aligns with the Easter bank holidays. How to know if you're affected. The timing of your pension payment depends on the last 2 digits of your national insurance NI number. Here's how the schedule breaks down. If your NI number ends in 00 to 19, you are typically paid on Monday. If it ends in 20 to 39, payment day is Tuesday. For 40 to 59, payments arrive on Wednesday. Those ending in 60 to 79 are paid on Thursday, and numbers ending in 80 to 99 receive payments on Friday. This means that if your NI number ends in 0 to 19 or 80 to 99, your usual payment day would fall on either Monday or Friday, meaning you'll receive your April pension early on Thursday, April 17. The DWP handles these adjustments automatically, so there's no need to take any action. Payments will be deposited directly into your usual bank, building society, or credit union account as normal. Understanding your pension entitlement. Not everyone receives the full state pension amount. The total you get depends on your national insurance contributions throughout your working life. To qualify for the full new state pension, you generally need around 35 qualifying years of contributions or credits. If you have fewer years, your payment will be proportionally lower. It's always a good idea to check your state pension forecast online via the official government website, gov.uk, to see how much you're entitled to and when you can expect to receive it. If you have gaps in your national insurance record, you may be able to buy back missing years to increase your pension entitlement. Additional support for pensioners. Beyond the state pension, many older people may be eligible for additional benefits that can provide extra financial support. These include pension credit, housing benefit, winter fuel payments, and council tax reductions. Unfortunately, many pensioners miss out on these benefits simply because they don't realize they qualify. Free online tools are available to help you check your eligibility for additional support. Taking a few minutes to review, these options could make a meaningful difference to your monthly income. Key takeaways. Here's a quick recap of the most important details. The state pension has increased by 4.1% as of April 7, 2025. Those on the new state pension could now receive up to $921 every 4 weeks. Basic state pension recipients may now get $75.80 per month. Due to the Easter bank holidays, early payments will be made on Thursday, April 17th, for those whose usual payment dates fall on Good Friday or Easter Monday. This affects pensioners whose NI numbers end in 00 to 19 or 8099. No action is required. The DWP will process early payments automatically. Payments will be deposited directly into your usual bank account. Why this matters. For pensioners living on fixed incomes, even small increases can have a big impact. Whether it's covering rising utility bills, grocery costs, or simply having extra financial security, this boost, along with the early Easter payment, can provide much-needed relief. If you found this information helpful, consider sharing it with friends or family members who might benefit from knowing about these changes. Staying informed ensures that pensioners can make the most of their entitlements and plan their finances with confidence. For more updates on pensions, benefits, and financial tips, stay tuned to reliable news sources and official government announcements. Taking a proactive approach to understanding your finances can help you navigate retirement with greater ease and security. Thanks for reading and take care.